Hey, vacuum family, I'm going to do a little quick clean up and a dump out of the salt and the dirt I collected during this week. So here we go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. So I'm going to put this on medium. Okay. And let's go. Enjoy the crunches. Okay, and now a quick dump out of the dirt and the salt. Okay, there we go. Don't watch my dry foot. I know I need lotion. So here we go again. Look at the pop. This way. You know what? I am just going to kind of pick this up with the hose to make it even more interesting.